Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Metro Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.metrobank.com.ph and hit enter. After the home page of the Metro Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be forwarded to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the Metro Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the Metro Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.